Picture this. You finally did it. You picked the low-cost index fund. You set up the automatic buy. You feel like you finally have your money figured out. And you do, except for one quiet detail that's about to cost you more than the fund you spent weeks choosing, because you bought it in the wrong account. Here's what nobody tells you after they tell you to buy index funds. The fund you buy matters, but the account you hold it in matters more. The exact same fund with the exact same return can leave you with tens of thousands of dollars more, or less, depending on one decision you make before you ever click buy. This is Slow Money, Real Wealth. If you want the practical version of money advice, no jargon, no lectures, hit subscribe and give this a thumbs up. It genuinely helps the channel. Then let's make sure your money is actually sitting in the right place. Now, here's what most people don't realize. When you open a brokerage app and buy a fund, you're usually buying it in a regular taxable account. It works, it's fine, but it's also the account the government taxes the hardest, and it's almost never the one you should fill first. There's an order, a specific sequence of accounts you're supposed to fill before that one, and almost nobody hands it to you. Let's start with the single biggest one, the one that's literally free money. If your job offers a 401k match, that's your employer saying, for every dollar you put in, we'll add 50 cents, or sometimes a full dollar, up to a limit. A 50% match is an instant 50% return on your money. A full match is an instant 100% before the market does anything. There is no index fund, no stock, no investment on earth that reliably returns 100% the day you buy it. The match does. And yet roughly 1 in 4 employees don't contribute enough to get their full match. They're leaving a guaranteed raise on the table every single paycheck. Then there's the tax side. In a regular taxable account, your dividends get taxed every year. And when you sell, your gains get taxed again. That's called tax drag. And over 30 years, it quietly skims a slice off the top of everything you earn. But there are accounts built to stop that. A Roth IRA is the clearest one. You put in money you've already paid tax on, and then it grows and comes out in retirement completely tax-free. Decades of gains, and the government never touches them again. So here's the real insight. It's not just which fund you buy. It's the order of the accounts you put it in. Get the order right, and the same money, the same fund, the same market becomes a dramatically bigger number because you stopped handing pieces of it away. The framework is called the order of operations, and I think of it as a waterfall. You fill the first bucket all the way, then the overflow pours into the next. Bucket 1, your 401k, up to the full employer match. Always. This is the free money bucket. Never skip it. Bucket 2, a Roth IRA. Fund it as much as you can, up to the annual limit. Tax-free growth for decades. This is the most powerful account most young people have access to. Bucket 3, if you have a high deductible health plan, a health savings account. It's the only account that's triple tax advantaged. Money goes in tax-free, grows tax-free, and comes out tax-free for medical costs. Bucket 4, back to your 401k, filling it up toward the annual max. Bucket 5, everything after that goes into a regular taxable brokerage account. The one most people start with, it's actually the last one in line. Let's put real numbers on it. Say you invest $500 a month for 30 years, and it grows at 7% a year. In a taxable account, after taxes drag on it the whole way, you might land somewhere around $500,000. In a Roth, with that same $500 a month and the same 7%, nothing gets skimmed, and you keep closer to $610,000. Same money in, same market, over $100,000 of difference, just from the account you chose. And that's before we even add the employer match, which on top of this could add hundreds of thousands more because it's doubling part of your contribution from day one. Now, 3 traps to avoid. First, don't leave the match on the table. If you take nothing else from this video, contribute enough to get the full match this paycheck. That's the highest return move you will ever make. Second, don't tell yourself you'll optimize the tax stuff later. The order is a set-it-once decision. Every year you wait in the wrong account is a year of growth you can't get back. Third, don't believe the myth that retirement accounts lock your money away forever. With a Roth IRA, the money you contributed, not the gains, the contributions, can come out without penalty. It's far more flexible than people fear.
So why do smart people still pile everything into a plain taxable account? Behavioral economists call it present bias. The accounts with the biggest long-term payoff also have the most friction today. Forms, limits, a little paperwork. The taxable account is one tap in an app. We reliably choose the easy thing now over the better thing later, even when the better thing is free.
Think of it like a highway with an express lane. 2 cars, same engine, same destination. One sits in the toll lane, paying a fee at every exit. The other rides the free express lane straight through. Same trip, same speed, one just keeps getting charged for the privilege. Your taxable account is the toll lane. The match and the Roth are the express lane that was open the whole time.
So here are 3 steps you can take today. Step 1, log into your 401k and set your contribution to at least the full match. Today, this paycheck. Step 2, open a Roth IRA. It takes about 15 minutes, and set a small automatic monthly contribution into it. Step 3, put the 3 funds from the last video inside these accounts, in order. Match first, Roth next, taxable last. That's the whole thing. The fund you buy is the engine. The account you hold it in is the lane you drive it in. Get the order right once, and you stop quietly paying a toll on your own future for the next 30 years. Drop a comment and tell me, which account are you using right now? A 401k, a Roth, or just a regular brokerage? I read every one, and I might build a future video around the most common answer. If this gave you a clear next step, that's exactly what this channel is for. Hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.